If you frequently find yourself stating phrases like, I have reached the maximum limit of my credit card, or I cannot pay off my credit card bill in full this month, only the minimum due, then it is essential to recognize that your financial challenges may stem from your poor financial management rather than lack of income. In this video, let us discuss how to improve your financial situation and breaking the cycle of relying on credit cards for basic needs. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Income shortage versus poor financial management. Many individuals in credit card debt attribute their financial struggles to a shortage of income. However, it is crucial to shift their perspective and recognize that even with a modest income, the inability to save indicates a deeper issue in financial habits. A self-analysis of spending behavior is very important, like whether do you upgrade mobile or car just for social recognition, or whether do you unnecessarily indulge in tourism solely for social media posts. This self-analysis can reveal areas for improvement in financial management. Warren Buffett's insight: if you buy unnecessary items, you will have to sell the necessary items soon. This quote underscores the importance of mindful spending. He has once quoted that he seldom uses his credit card and he pays all expenses in cash as much as possible. Credit card as a double-edged sword. Credit cards wielded with self-control can be a powerful financial tool. However, for those lacking restraint, using credit cards irresponsibly can lead to accumulating high-interest debt. Opting for revolving credit and paying only the minimum due can result in exorbitant interest rates, say 36%, 40%, making it a financial pitfall. In general, all investment interest rates and loan interest rates are realigned when there is a change in repo rate. But interest rate for credit card will be in the higher slab irrespective of repo rate change. Recognizing that credit card debt is a form of legalized loan sharking or extortion is crucial. Are you buying all your products by paying 36% extra interest? Then you will get trapped for the rest of your life by paying interest for your debt. Credit card debt as modern slavery. Being in credit card debt can be paralleled to modern slavery, with individuals unknowingly working for the development of banks. Subconscious state of brainwashing leaves people unaware of their financial servitude. While some may see credit card debt as a status symbol, it is essential to question the true cost of losing the financial freedom. Credit card debt is not a status symbol, rather it is a burden. You can feel the burden when you pay such high interest. Next, we will be discussing the strategies to escape the credit card trap. Dealing with credit card debt requires a strategic approach, prioritizing its repayment over other forms of debt. Here are effective strategies to break free. Negotiate a lower interest rate. Initiate a conversation with your bank to negotiate a lower interest rate on your credit card debt. Due to the widespread presence of non-performing loans in this category, banks are often open to such discussions. Calculate the total outstanding balance and explore options to reduce the interest burden. Take out a loan with a lower interest rate. Consider obtaining a loan with a lower interest rate, such as personal loan or jewelry loan, to pay off a higher interest rate credit card debt. Commit to making timely equated monthly installment (EMI) payments to gradually eliminate the debt. Avoid the cycle of minimum payments, because minimum payments only perpetuate the problem. Make a budget. Create a comprehensive budget that outlines your income and expenses. This will provide a clear picture of where adjustments can be made to allocate more funds towards credit card debt repayment. Sticking to the budget is essential for long-term financial discipline. Next, increase your income. Explore avenues to boost your income, whether through a rise at your current job or taking on a part-time position or starting a side hustle. The additional income can be directed towards making more substantial repayments on your credit card debt, accelerating the repayment process. Next, cut back on your expenses. Review your expenses critically and identify areas where you can cut back. Cooking at home, cancelling unnecessary subscriptions, and seeking better deals on bills are practical ways to free up more money for credit card repayment. Adhering to a well-crafted budget can guide your spending decisions. Next, repayment from other investments. Prioritize credit card repayment over other investments, especially if the interest rate on the debt are significantly higher than the returns on your investments. Temporarily suspend SIPs or PPF investment or insurance policies to redirect those funds towards clearing your credit card debt. Get help from a financial planner. If navigating credit card becomes overwhelming, seek assistance from a financial planner. A professional can help craft a tailored debt repayment plan and negotiate with creditors to secure lower interest rates or favorable payment plans. Their expertise can provide valuable insights and support. By implementing these strategies diligently, you can regain control of your finances and work towards eliminating the burden of credit card debt. Next topic, avoiding credit card debt relapse. To steer clear of falling back into the clutches of credit card debt, adopt the following strategies. Number 1, credit cards, not a substitute for emergency funds. In emergencies, relying solely on credit cards may trap you in an endless cycle of minimum payments. Cultivate the habit of maintaining emergency funds equivalent to at least 6 months' worth of expenses and EMIs. Consider investing the emergency reserve in bank fixed deposit or liquid mutual fund schemes, creating a robust financial barrier against the threat of credit card debt. Next, the 50-30-20 rule. Adhere to the 50-30-20 rule for income allocation. Designate 50% for essential needs, cap discretionary expenses at 30%, and reserve 20% for savings at the beginning of each month. By building sufficient savings and constraining your spending within the 80% threshold, you immunize yourself against the persistent challenge of credit card debt. Next, wake up to the reality of credit card minimum payments. Recognize the pitfalls of credit card minimum payments. These payments are often deceptively low, enticing individuals to fall behind on their debt. Do not prolong the repayment cycle because you end up paying humongous interest. Better to have a commitment to pay off your entire credit card balance each month. This proactive approach not only saves you money on interest but also expedites your journey to debt-free living. By incorporating these principles into your financial habits, you can foster a more secure financial future. We have reached the conclusion part. Using credit card responsibly is vital. It involves conscious spending and dispelling the illusion that credit card minimum due is a convenience. In an era inundated with financial information on social media, careful discernment is crucial to avoid misleading advice. True wealth goes beyond financial prosperity, encompassing the freedom to make choices. Therefore, handling credit cards with care is essential for a life of financial freedom. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.